Hello students, I am Rajshekhar Tambake. Today we are going to study the mathematics of 10th standard. In mathematics 1, the chapter first is linear equations in two variables. Now first of all, let's recall what is meant by linear equation. The definition of linear equation is an equation in two variables with the degree of the variables in is 1 is called the linear equations in two variables. An equation in two variables with the degree of variables is 1 is called the linear equation in two variables. For example, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. For example, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Here x and y are two variables and degree of the variable x and y is 1. Therefore, it is a linear equation. Now another example, 3x minus 5y is equal to 2. Here also, according to definition, x and y are two variables and both the variables have degree 1. Therefore, these two examples are linear equations in two variables. Now, in page number 1 of textbook, activity is given. In this activity, 7 equations are given. Now the first equation is 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. Now find out it is a linear equation or not. According to definition, what is meant by linear equations? What are the conditions of linear equations? Two variables and both the variables have degree 1. Therefore, 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. It is a linear equation in two variables because here m and n are two variables which have degree 1. Now example 2, 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13. Is it a linear equation or not? It is not a linear equation because here the degree of variable x is 2. Now next, third example, root 2x minus root 5y is equal to 16. Now students, tell me, it is a linear equation or not? Now it is also a linear equation because here x and y are two variables. Two variables with degree 1. Now example 4, 0x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0. Is the equation linear equation in two variables or not? It is not a linear equation. Why? No, because only one variable y. Also in example 5, 0.3x plus 0y minus 36 is equal to 0. It is not a linear equation, because only one variable x. Now students, the example 6 and 7 in the activities, try to solve in home and tell me, is it a linear equation or not with reason. Now we are going to next simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation. Now what is meant by simultaneous linear equations? At the same time, two different equations are given and they taken together to form a system of simultaneous linear equations. Now we are going to solve the practice set 1.1. In practice set 1.1, question 1, the question is complete the following activity and solve the simultaneous equation. Complete the following activity and solve the simultaneous equation. Now the equations are 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. Equation 1. And 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Equation 2. Complete this activity. Now add equations 1 and 2. We get 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, equation 1, and 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, equation 2. Now cancel the opposite sign with same terms, plus 3y and minus 3y. Now 5x plus 2x is equal to 7x. 9 plus 12 is equal to 21. Now x is equal to 21 upon 7. Now x is equal to 3. Put x is equal to 3 in equation 1. We get, now we write down equation 1, 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, equation 1. Now put the value of x. 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. 5 into 3 is equal to 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. Therefore 3y is equal to, now change the side of 15, 9 minus 15. Therefore 3y is equal to minus 6. Therefore y is equal to minus 6 upon 3. Therefore y is equal to minus 2. Therefore x, y, 3 minus 2 are the solutions of given simultaneous equation. Thank you. Now students, in the practice sheet 1.1, the question 2, solve the following simultaneous equations. We solve these simultaneous equations. Total number of equations in question 2 are 8. Now try to solve these examples in home in the notebook and send me in WhatsApp group. Thank you.